Hi, today in front of me POCO X5 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should just hold for a while the application and then just drag this app to another one. And by this way we just successfully created a new home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications just by hold and drag it to our folder. Just if you want to rename the folder, you should open it, tap on the name and enter the new one. For example, let's enter the apps, tap to OK, and we just successfully renamed it. Just to move this folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove the application from the folder, you should just hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the folder, you should hold it and tap it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. If you want to just remove a couple of apps in one click or just all of the applications with the folder together, you should hold the folder and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.